on executive section because we have to remind ourselves the truth. We are the representative of Nigerian people. If we cannot go oversight on this budget, it means we are no use in this house. Nigerian people voted for us for nothing. But we will make sure, because if you look at the way Mr. President took it, he said there is no new project. It means he too is not satisfied with the implementation of the 2019 project. That is why he brought them again as ongoing, so that we will complete it. Then the 2021 they will bring a fresh new project. So if we can implement 90% of this budget, I'm sure Nigerian people will be happy, and all this poverty and the unemployment will be eradicated almost 40 to 30%.
So do you think that the January to December budget is realistic?
It's realistic because before it's just hearsay, but now it's realistic because I can see the government is serious. But the greatest disappointment in this budget, is debt. 2.8 trillion debt service. Even the capital project never reached that money. We are servicing debt for the stolen money. That is what is touching my heart. We are servicing debt for the stolen money from the previous administrations. We're supposed to stop borrowing, arrest those people, and bring back our money. That is the system that the government is supposed to do. Stop borrowing. Where that money go? Investigate the project from 1999 to date. Where some project is just by name, but when you go to the site, there is no project and the money was being. So that is why I said this 2-point-something trillion debt service. Money that some people stole, they are enjoying, putting Nigeria in trouble every day. They bring scrap country, they leave scrap country to us. So that is my greatest embarrassment in this 2020 budget. Debt service.
Okay, so